Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have another adorable layered paper craft for you. This is my Snorkeling Gnome layered paper craft. How much fun is that design? I love this little gnome so much. He's totally enjoying himself with his little wetsuit and his fins on, and he is just snorkeling around looking for whatever he can. There's some fun coral on the bottom. I love his little hat and his goggles, just really cute. I don't do gnomes very much, but I love doing them. They're just adorable to me. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scraper, a weeding tool, brayer, glue or adhesive, foam squares if you want to add dimension between the layers, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12x12 cutting mat. So it's a little bit smaller than 11.5 inches. If you want to put this on a card or possibly use it in a shadow box or for decor, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, so I've cut everything out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer this together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white, then blue, then yellow, then green, then whatever color you're going to be using for the skin tone, dark blue, gray, light blue, and then orange. You can add foam squares if you want, really to every layer, because it will definitely add some nice dimension to this design. I'm just going to layer everything together just with glue. So I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our cute Snorkeling Gnome layered paper craft. Wasn't this so cute to put together? I could totally see him on a card or in a shadow box as well. Such a fun design. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.